What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing with you step by step how you can open and fund your Wealthsimple account and even purchase a stock. So you may be wondering, what is Wealthsimple? Wealthsimple is an investment company which allows you to invest from the comfort of your mobile phone. You can invest in Canadian stocks, crypto, and even US stocks and ETFs. It allows you to purchase fractional shares. That means you don't have to have all of the money for a stock. So with that said, I'm not going to waste any more time. So let's head over to my laptop and let's get started. So guys, to get started, you can click the link in the description. It will take you to Wealthsimple's website. Once you're there, specify your email address, then select Get Started. Here you need to specify your mobile phone number. Once you've specified your phone number, select Get the app and a link will be sent to your phone. So here, to get started, specify your email account and select Get Started. Select Get the app. Open the link that will take you to the App Store. Then select Get the app to download the mobile app. So here I'm just going to double click to install. And once the download is completed, select Open. So there are 3 steps to unlock your rewards to get in some free stocks. So first, you're going to open your account. Second, you're going to make a deposit and then get your reward. So select Continue here. Specify your email address again. Select Continue. Here you need to specify a password. Once you specify the password, select Continue. Here you can verify with your phone number or with an email. I'm going to go with verify with email instead. So before you can continue, verify the email they have sent to the email you specified, so you can receive emails containing personal information and financial transactions, right? So I'm going to open my email now. So I'm just going to click this link to validate my email address. Now let's go back to the mobile app. Here, select Continue. So here you're going to set up some permissions. You have the option to log in with Face ID and turn on notifications. Right, this is optional, so for now I'm just going to select Continue. So here you have 3 options. Discover stocks and crypto. Build your portfolio with stocks, coins and ETFs. They'll help you to find an account which is right for you. Help me to choose, right? Here, open a cash account. Spend and save with cash. So basically this is like a bank account where you can earn up to 4% interest and get 1% cashback rewards when you spend. Alright, so let's go discover here. We're going to allow this for another while. You have the option to open cash account with high interest rates when you have over 100k. Right, with interest rate over 4%, minimum investment $1. High interest savings portfolio, you set it and forget it. The target yield is 4.36 with a minimum investment of $1. Now let's scroll down. Here you can start discovering stocks. You have the crypto section, fractional trading section, right? So fractional share investing means that you don't have to have all of the money for an entire stock. You can purchase a fraction of that share. So for example, if Tesla is trading at $300 right now and you have only $10, you can start investing with 10 Canadian dollars, right? So I'm going to scroll up, and for top Canadian stocks, I'm going to select that. And these are some top Canadian stocks. So here you can explore the various Canadian stocks that you would want to invest in. Now let's go back. You can explore the top US stocks as well. And you can see there's a whole bunch of them. Now let's go back again. Now, you may be wondering, how do you add money to your account to start investing? Well, look at the bottom of the app where you see the $ icon. You're going to select that. Then you select deposit. Here you're going to select add account. And here you have 3 options. The high interest on savings, trade stocks, options and crypto. And the third option is to automate. We're going to select trade stocks, options and crypto. Now here you have the option to choose between a non-registered account, no deposit limits or withdrawal restrictions, but you will pay tax on your earnings. So this allows you to pretty much trade freely whenever you want. Or you have the TFSA option. Earnings are tax-free and you can withdraw anytime, but there is an annual contribution limit. And then you have the RRSP. You won't pay any income tax on your deposits or earning, but contributions and trades are restricted. This option really depends on you. I'm going to be going with the TFSA. Then select continue. Now you need to complete the setup of your account, so let's select get it. Here you're going to specify your full name, your middle name, optional, right, and your surname. So here I'm going to select I understand and agree to Wealthsimple's privacy policy. Then select continue. Here I'm going to select continue. Now you need to specify your phone number. Once you have specified your phone number, select continue. Specify your date of birth. Once you specify your date of birth, select continue. What is your citizenship? Select the country that best applies to you. Then select continue. What is your gender? Select your gender and then select continue. So on this page, specify your current residential address. Once you have done that, select continue. What is your mailing address? I'm going to say same as my residential address. What is your employment status? Select what best applies to you. What is the name of your company? Specify what best applies to you. Once you do that, select continue. Specify the type of company and then select continue. So here you're going to specify your job title and then continue. Here you need to specify your social insurance number and then you select continue as well. So on this page you're going to select what best applies to you. So make sure you read them carefully before you select continue. So here I'm going to select continue. Here they're simply asking how did you hear about us? I'm just going to say YouTube and then select continue. Confirm your details and then select confirm. Here I'm going to select confirm as well. Scroll down, read through the terms and then select confirm. Now depending on the options you've selected, you may not see this form, right? So in my case, I'm going to select confirm. And here I'm going to select confirm again. To make a deposit to your Wealthsimple account, you select make a deposit. See, it's saying I need to confirm my identity, so I'm going to select continue. I'm going to select driver's license. I'm going to enable camera access and I'm going to select OK here. So here I'm just going to submit my photo. Now I'm going to take the back of my ID. Now I'm going to hit submit. So now I need to take a selfie for this photo. So they are now confirming my identity, so I'm going to select done. So to deposit money to your account, you select $sign and then select deposit funds. Then here you'll select next and then specify the method that you want to use to deposit, right? So I'm going to say Interac e-transfer. I'm going to select this option. I'm going to select next. I'm going to specify the amount that I want to deposit and then select next. So I'm not going to proceed with this now because the email I'm requesting from is not linked to my e-transfer, right? So I'm going to cancel this method and I'll fund later using another deposit method. So if we select $sign again, to buy or sell a stock, you'll select the buy or sell a stock option. Then you'll search for the ticker that you want to purchase. Let's say Scotia. So here I'll just select BNS for Bank of Nova Scotia and then I'll select buy. Now it costs $65.54 for a share. Now with Wealthsimple, you're allowed to purchase fractional shares. So if you notice at the top it says fractional buy. So if I only had $10 within my account, I could use that to invest in stocks. As you can see, I would receive an estimate of 0.15 shares and then all I'll need to do is select continue. However, this won't go through because there is not sufficient funds on my account now. So if you want to see other tutorials on Wealthsimple, please comment in the description of this video.